ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಟುಡೇ 2020. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ DM ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು VTU ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ. Special regulation for conducting examination assessment. Visvesvaraya Technological University will adopt special regulation as per the UGC guidelines dated 29/4/2020, revised UGC guidelines dated 6/7/2020, and order of the Government of Karnataka dated 10/7/2020 for conduct of examination or assessment, which are follows. UG and PG student of terminal semester, these following special regulation are made with reference to the examination of current terminal semester students. All examination will be conducted on September end. Examination of UG and PG program of project work and any other subject where the SEE in the form of the Viva voice shall be conducted preferably through online mode with the both internal and external assignment from the same college. Report of such Viva voice examination can be submitted in soft copy format and demonstrate working of experiment, fabricated machines, etc. to the video recordings. Backlog examination of current terminal semester students shall be conducted in offline pen or paper mode. Question paper of backlog students shall be normal and normal duration as per the applicable scheme. In the case of student of current terminal semester is suitable to appear in the examination, whatever reason he or she will given opportunity to appear in the intermediate next examination. Whenever it conducted next, in such case appearance will not be consideration as the additional attempt. Student of the current terminal semester who which is improved their grade in any subject or course of terminal semester examination will be add one additional attempt exam to attend examination in the subject or course during the examination conducted next. In such case student will be awarded the better 2 grades. That appearance will not be conducted as an additional attempt. UG and PG of current intermediate semesters. The UG and PG student of current intermediate semester shall be assessed based on UGC guidelines considering their CIE marks and performance. Grades of UG and PG student of current examination even semester in subject other than those covered below shall be the share of 50% marks on the basis of CIE and remaining 50% marks of both performance in previous semester only. The formula for deciding the grades will be notified separately in case of any specific or directors are received from bodies such as UGC, AICTE, COA. The same shall be considered as the formula for deciding the grades. Examination of the current intermediate even semester conducted in voice shall be conducted preferably through online video conference. Both internal and external assessment from the current or same college reports such Viva voice examination can be submitted as copy format. The CIE and SEE shall as per the scheme applicable so their examination. Student of current intermediate even semester who work as improve their grade in any subject or course of current intermediate semester assessment will given one additional examination or attempt to attend the examination in the subject during the examination conducted. In such case student will be awarded the better of 2 grade and will not considered as additional attempt. UG and PG student currently ineligible for admission to next academic year. Student who are currently ineligible for admission to next odd semester can attend exam of their backlog subject in offline pen or paper mode. In addition, they will allowed to next odd semester as per above. UG student of one time exit scheme. Student of OTES who have passed gained eligibility to attend exam of any semester shall attend the examination in offline pen or paper mode. Attendance of current even semester regarding the requirement of minimum percentage of attendance for the student in the period of lockdown may be treated as deemed to be attended by the all UG and PG students. Internship. VTU will adopt the following measure for internship and related activities to ensure the safety of interest of the stakeholders. Allow the student to take up online internship activities that will be carried out digitally or otherwise from home. Engage them work to intense ongoing project. Delay the start date of the internship. Reduce the period of internship and clubbing it with assignments, etc. Research examination entrance test. As per UGC guidelines dated 24/9/2020, following special regulation are made with a reference and research examination. Pre-PhD comprehensive Viva Voice and final Viva Voice examination will be conducted using online video conference. Research entrance test will be conducted in online mode. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಈಗಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. VTU ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ 2020 ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ DM ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Autonomous college. All autonomous colleges shall follow the above guidelines, ensuring an opportunity to all students, maintain the security and quality of examination. The autonomous colleges are permitted conduct current terminal semester examination in offline, pen or paper, online or blended mode. They could also conduct the required number of contact hours for the supplementary semester. Tentative academic calendar. As per the framework prescribed by the above referred order of Government of Karnataka, the tentative draft of academic and examination events would be under event classroom intervention of current terminal semester student 1/8/2020 to 14/8/2020. Project Viva Voice examination for current terminal semester 17/8/2020 to 21/8/2020. Result of backlog and UG/PG examination 15/10/2020. Result of terminal semester 15/10/2020. This regulation will be implemented as one-time measure and applied only to the August-September 2020 examination as per the academic year 2019-20. This regulation will be applied uniformly to the all students of the university. In case of special classes not covered by this special regulation or disputes arising subsequent in their implementation, university shall take approximate decision which shall be binding on the concerned.